Next, difference between A greater than B, B greater than A. That means different forms of the ellipse, various forms of the ellipse. First one, if A greater than B and A greater than 0, B greater than 0. Okay, A greater than B. In this case, already standard formula prove chestam. Ellipse ela untadi x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, whereas b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. A greater than b. A greater than b means major axis x axis, major axis x axis, minor axis y axis, minor axis y axis, major axis x axis and minor axis y axis. That is A greater than B case. A greater than B case. A dash and directrix L and L dash. L equal to 0, L dash equal to 0. Focus S dash. Minor axis endpoints B dash. Center 0 comma 0. Okay. X square by A square plus y square by B square equal to 1. B square equal to A square into 1 minus A square. Next, lattice rectum. One lattice rectum. L and L dash. Okay. Second lattice rectum. L double dash, L triple dash. That is second lattice rectum. Okay. Now, first vertices of the ellipse. Vertices of the ellipse means endpoints of major axis. A comma 0, A dash minus A comma 0. Center, midpoint of vertices 0 comma 0. Second one, foci, that is AE comma plus or minus AE comma 0 or S equal to AE comma 0, S dash minus AE comma 0. That means plus or minus AE comma 0. Plus or minus AE comma 0. Next, directrixes x equal to plus or minus A by E, because right side directrix x equal to A by E, left side x equal to minus A by E. Here AE comma 0, minus AE comma 0. Directrix x equal to plus or minus A by E. Next, length of major axis length 2A, length of minor axis 2B. Next, B dash, B 0 comma B dash 0 comma minus B. Next, eccentricity E equal to root of A square minus B square by A square, because B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. That implies 1 minus E square equal to B square by A square. E square equal to B square by A square minus 1. 1 minus B square by A square. That is A square minus B square by A square. Eccentricity E equal to root of A square minus B square by A square. Next, length of lattice rectum. 2B square by A. end points of lattice recti, end points of lattice recti is plus or minus AE comma plus or minus B square by A. This is plus AE comma B square by A. Fourth quadrant AE comma minus B square by A. Second quadrant minus AE comma minus plus B square by A. Fourth quadrant minus AE comma minus B square by A. Okay. First quadrant x positive, y positive, AE comma B square by A. Fourth quadrant x positive, y negative, AE comma minus B square by A. Third quadrant rendu negative, minus AE minus B square by A. That is end points of lattice recta plus or minus AE comma plus or minus B square by A. Next, and length of lattice rectum is 2B square by A. Length of lattice rectum is 2B square by A. Because length of L and L dash, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then it gives B square by A, B square by A. That is 2B square by A. B square by A, B square by A, 2B square by A. Next, axis of the ellipse, x-axis. Axis of the ellipse is x-axis. That is A greater than B, A greater than 0, B greater than 0 case. Okay. Second, if A less than B, A less than B. Second one is A less than B. That means 0 less than A less than B. Okay. Here A greater than B. Next case A less than B. Here directrix is x equal plus or minus A by E because x-axis, axis of the parabola x-axis, axis of the ellipse is x-axis, that is x equal to plus or minus A by E. One directrix is x equal to A by E, second one is x equal to minus A by E. This part Z, this part Z dash. That means foot of the perpendicular from focus to directrix is Z, A by E comma 0. This part Z dash minus A by E comma 0. Foot of the perpendicular from focus to directrixes. Focus to directrixes. Z and Z dash respectively A by E comma 0, next minus A by E comma 0. Whereas E is eccentricity. Eccentricity is root of A square minus B square by A square. Okay. That is foot of the perpendicular from focus to directrixes. Focus to directrixes. Directrix is x equal to A by E. Therefore, foot of the perpendicular Z equal to A by E comma 0. Here Z equal to, Z dash equal to minus A by E comma 0. Okay. Z dash equal to minus A by E comma 0. That is A greater than B case. Clearly, A greater than B and that means 2A greater than 2B. That means length of the major axis is greater than minor axis. Length of the major axis is greater than minor axis. That case is first case. A greater than B case. Okay, now length of the ante ellipse ila vachestadi horizontally. Ellipse ela untadi horizontally. If A less than B, that means length of the major axis less than length of the minor axis means ila vastadi. Okay. Length of the minor axis means ila vachestadi. Appudu minor axis is 2B, major axis is 2A. That part చూద్దాం. That is 0 less than A less than B case. A less than B. That means A less than B means 2A less than 2B. B greater than A. Therefore, ellipse is in the form of with respect to y axis. With respect to y axis. Okay. X square by A square plus y square by B square equal to 1. B greater than A. That means with respect to y axis. x-axis, y-axis. Y-axis means with respect to y-axis. With respect to y-axis. That means length of minor axis is y-axis. A dash, B dash, focus S dash, directrix. Okay. In this case, vertices is B and B dash. Vertices is B and B dash. Okay. Vertices is B and B dash. That means rotated to right side. Rotated to right side, we get x-axis, y-axis, parabola ellipse is S dash, B dash, A dash, directrix. Okay. Here, first vertices B 0 comma B dash 0 comma minus B. Therefore, major axis is y-axis. That means x equal to 0. Major axis is y-axis. That means x equal to 0. Next, length of major axis. Length of major axis, that is 2b. Length of minor axis. Length of minor axis 2a. Next, foci 0 comma plus or minus BE. 0 comma BE. Next 0 comma minus BE. 0 comma BE, 0 comma minus BE, plus or minus BE. Directrix y equal plus or minus B by E. This is y equal to B by E. This is y equal to minus B by E. 0 comma BE. 0 comma minus BE. Okay, directrix. Next, length of lattice rectum. Next, eccentricity. Eccentricity E equal to root of B square minus A square by B square, because x square by A square plus y square by B square equal to 1. That implies A square equal to B square into 1 minus E square, because A less than B. A less than B. That is A square equal to B square into 1 minus E square. B square into 1 minus E square. Next, eccentricity E equal to root of B square minus A square by B square. Next, length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum, that is 2A square by B. End points of lattice rectum. End points of lattice recta, because plural form lattice recta, that is plus or minus A square by B comma plus or minus BE. Plus or minus A square by B comma plus or minus BE. Lattice rectum. Lattice rectum. Okay. End points of lattice rectum. Plus or minus A square by B plus or minus BE. Because lattice rectum means the focal chord which is perpendicular to axis. Here axis is y-axis. Axis is y-axis, perpendicular to y-axis. Therefore, BE, y coordinate B is same, but x coordinate A square by B. If it is in first quadrant, plus A square by B comma BE. If it is in second quadrant, minus A square by B comma BE. Third quadrant, minus A square by B minus BE. Fourth quadrant, A square by B minus B. That is plus or minus A square by B plus or minus BE, plus or minus A square by B plus or minus BE. That is endpoints of lattice rectum. Because A less than B, that means 2A less than 2B, that means major axis is y-axis. Here major axis is y-axis, minor axis is x-axis. Therefore total terms మొత్తం క్లోజ్ మారిపోతాయి. 2A 2B అవుతుంది, A ప్లస్లో B, B ప్లస్లో A వచ్చేస్తాయి. బికాజ్ ఫస్ట్ డయాగ్రామ్ rotated to right side with respect to x-axis goes to with respect to y-axis. Okay na? Rotate to right side. Then major axis is minor axis, minor axis is main axis. Focus in that place, first place lo plus or minus AE comma 0. Here 0 comma plus or minus BE. Directrix in that place x equal to A plus or minus A by E. Here y equal to plus or minus B by E. That means Z to Z dash. Z is 0 comma B by E. Z dash is 0 comma minus B by E. That means foot of the perpendicular from foci to directrixes. Foci means plural form of focus. Okay, focus to directrix. Focus is AE comma 0. Second focus is focus here 0 comma BE. Second focus is 0 comma minus BE. Directrix y equal B by E, y equal minus B by E. Okay. Next eccentricity E equal to root of B square minus A square by B square, because here A square equal to B square into 1 minus E square. A square by B square equal to 1 minus E square. E square equal to 1 minus A square by B square. E equal to root of B square minus A square by B square. E equal to root of B square minus A square by B square. Length of lattice rectum 2A square by B. This length AE comma B, A square by B comma BE minus A square by B comma BE. Distance between them A square by B. This part A square by B. This part A square by B. A square by B, A square by B, 2A square by B. Length of lattice rectum is 2A square by B. Length of lattice rectum is 2A square by B. In A less than B case, in A less than B or B greater than A, anyhow A comma B greater than 0, A greater than 0, B greater than 0. Therefore 0 less than A less than B. Equation of the ellipse same, x square by A square plus y square by B square equal to 1. But in first part B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. Here A square equal to B square into 1 minus E square. A B will interchange out. Okay na? In that case E equal to root of A square minus B square by A square. Here E equal to root of B square minus A square by B square. B square minus A square by B square. Length of lattice in first case 2B square by A. Here 2A square by B. First part 2B square by A. Here 2A square by B. Similarly, major axis first part lo x axis y equal to 0. Here major axis y axis x equal to 0. Minor axis x axis y equal to 0. Minor axis major axis avudhi, major axis minor axis avudhi. First dantlo adi second avudhi, second first avudhi. Okay, ala interchange avudhi. Center is h comma k. Next third method, center is h comma k. A greater than B. Then ellipse is x minus h whole square by A square plus y minus k whole square by B square equal to 1. Whereas B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. First two parts in the center origin. First two parts in the center origin. From here onwards, center h comma k. Again two parts. Center h comma k. Again two parts. B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. Same. That means eccentricity equal to root of A square minus B square by A square. Same. Okay. Now equation becomes x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. A greater than b. That means 2a greater than 2b. That means major axis is greater than minor axis. That means major axis is x axis. Minor axis is y axis. Major axis x axis means parallel to x axis. Minor axis is parallel to y axis. ఎలా ఉండదు చూద్దాం. X axis, y axis, h comma k center. Therefore, major axis is parallel to x axis, minor axis is parallel to y axis. Ellipse same, first form. Directrix. Center h comma k. Focus. Okay. Center is h comma k. Focus. A dash. A equal to a plus h comma k. A dash is minus a plus h comma as it is 0. 0 plus k. K. Focus. Foci. Plus or minus ae plus h comma k. That means s is ae plus h comma k. S dash is minus ae plus h comma k. Next, major axis is parallel to x axis. Major axis is x axis, parallel to x axis. That is y equal to k. Next, length of major axis same. Length of major axis same, 2a. Length of minor axis. Length of minor axis 2b. Next, directrices. X equal to plus or minus a by e plus h. X equal plus or minus a by e plus h. Plus తీసుకుంటే ఒకటి మైనస్ తీసుకుంటే ఒకటి. Plus or minus a by e plus h. Next, end points of lattice rectum. End points of lattice rectum. Plus or minus ae plus h plus or minus b square by a plus k. Length of lattice rectum. 2b square by a same. Length got same. 2b square by a. That is in the case of center h comma k. Whereas a greater than b. That means generally plus h plus k. X term ki plus h, y term ki plus k. First case lo a comma 0. Vertex is a comma 0. Therefore plus h plus k. Second a dash minus a comma 0 plus h plus k. Focus ae plus h comma 0 plus h plus k. Directrix x equal plus or minus a by e. X కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ ప్లస్ h అంతే. మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ అక్కడ y ఈక్వల్ 0 k. y ఈక్వల్ టు k. ఓకేనా? దట్ ఈస్ థర్డ్ కేస్. x మైనస్ h హోల్ స్క్వేర్ బై a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y మైనస్ k హోల్ స్క్వేర్ బై b స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. whereas b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Okay, e equal to root of a square minus b square by a square. E same, length of minor axis same, length of major axis same, length of lattice rectum same. Lengths anni same avutayi, but remaining points, focus, end points of lattice rectum avi plus h plus k. X coordinate plus h, y coordinate plus k. X coordinate plus h, y coordinate plus k. Next, end points of minor axis b dash. B dash. B, generally b, 0 comma b. Therefore h comma k add chesandi. H comma b plus k. B dash, h comma minus b plus k. అంతే, వెరీ సింపుల్. h k లో యాడ్ చేయడమే. x టర్మ్ కేమో h, y term की k, x term की h, y term की k. h term generally 0 comma b, therefore 0 plus h comma b plus k, 0 plus h comma b plus k. b dash is minus 0 comma minus b, therefore 0 plus h comma minus b plus k. Similarly directrix is x equal plus or minus a by e, x kada plus h, plus or minus a by e plus h. Okay, end points of lattice rectum generally plus or minus a by ae comma plus or minus b square by a, both side plus h plus k. Distance between two distance of lattice rectum 2b square by a, length same. Okay na, this is h comma k. If it is in first quadrant h positive k positive, if it is fourth quadrant h positive k negative minus k, or this becomes y minus minus plus k, same. If it is in second quadrant minus h comma k, here center is minus h comma k, that means x plus h whole square by a square, y minus k whole square by b square equal 1, same. h value of course h2 అనుకోండి plus 2 యాడ్ అవుద్ది plus 2. if it is h minus 2 అనుకోండి minus 2, either first or second any quadrant minus 2 అనుకోండి minus 2, k plus 3 అనుకోండి plus 3 యాడ్ అవుద్ది. if it is minus 3 minus 3 యాడ్ అవుద్ది, y equal to minus 3. ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ అంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదు, అది యాక్సిస్ ప్లస్ హెచ్ మైనస్ కే హెచ్, మళ్ళీ అక్కడ మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతుంది కన్నా హెచ్ కేలు ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 2 మైనస్ 2 ఎంత ఉంటే అంత యాడ్ చేసేయండి. ప్లస్ 2 ఉంటే పాజిటివ్ 2 ఉంటే పాజిటివ్, నెగిటివ్ 2 ఉంటే నెగిటివ్ 2, అంతేగాని మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ ఫస్ట్ థర్డ్ ఫోర్త్ అనేది అక్కడ మీరు థింక్ చేయొద్దు. మళ్ళీ మీరు అక్కడ కోఆర్డినేట్స్ అది ఇది అనుకున్నట్టు మళ్ళీ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు అక్కడ. కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ ఇది ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, h comma k. if it is negative, negative h added, negative h added. if it is positive, positive h added, atla. okay, that is h comma k center ainam. okay na, next h comma k center a less than b case, h comma k center a less than b case. a less than b means 2a less than 2b. 2a less than 2b means minor axis is y axis parallel to y axis, parallel to y axis is major axis, parallel to x axis is minor axis. okay, fourth one, center h comma k but a less than b, a less than b, that means ellipse is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1, whereas a square equal to b square into 1 minus e square, a square equal to b square into 1 minus e square, that implies e equal to same second case, b square minus a square by b square. center h comma k a less than b, that implies axis is parallel to y axis, major axis is parallel to y axis, x axis y axis, center h comma k. therefore ellipse right side turn అవుద్ది, రైట్ సైడ్ టర్న్ అవుతుంది డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్. ఓకేనా, బి బి డాష్, ఏ ఏ డాష్, ఎస్ ఎస్ అలా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సెంటర్ హెచ్ కామా కే, వెర్టిసెస్ ఓకే ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ బి కదా, బి ప్లస్ హెచ్, జీరో హెచ్ కామా బి ప్లస్ కే, ఇంకోటి హెచ్ కామా minus b plus k, that is b b dash. Next foci h comma plus or minus be plus k. Next vertices vertices okay, completed. Focus okay. Directrices. Directrices is y equal to plus or minus b by e plus k. Here adding k because this term is y. Next, major axis is parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis, that is x equal to h. X equal to h. Like same length of major axis. Length of major axis 2a, 2b, here 2b. Minor axis, length of minor axis 2a. Next, length of lattice rectum. అక్కడేంటి లెంత్ ఆఫ్ లాటిస్ రెక్టమ్ 2b స్క్వేర్ బై 2a స్క్వేర్ బై b కదా, ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే, ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే 2a స్క్వేర్ బై b. బట్ ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ ఆఫ్ లాటిస్ రెక్టమ్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ ఆఫ్ లాటిస్ రెక్టమ్ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ a స్క్వేర్ బై b ప్లస్ h ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ బిఈ ప్లస్ కే. ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఏ ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్కి హెచ్ యాడ్ అవుద్ది, వై కోఆర్డినేట్కి కే యాడ్ అవుద్ది. ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్కి సెంటర్ హెచ్ కమ కే కదా, హెచ్ యాడ్ అవుద్ది. వై కోఆర్డినేట్కి కే యాడ్ అవుద్ది. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ మైనస్ హెచ్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై మైనస్ కే హోల్ స్క్వేర్ బై బి స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ 1. ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ బి స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ 1 మైనస్ ఈ స్క్వేర్. ఎక్సెంట్రిసిటీ ఇది. లెంత్ ఆఫ్ లాటిస్ రెక్టమ్ 2a స్క్వేర్ బై, లెన్స్ సేమ్, ఇందో చెప్పే కదా ఆల్రెడీ, లెన్స్ సేమ్. బట్ ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్కి హెచ్ యాడ్ అవుతుంది, వై కోఆర్డినేట్కి కే యాడ్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఫీట్ ఆఫ్ ది పర్పెండిక్యులర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫోకై టు డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్. z to z dash is okay 0 comma b by e, that means h comma b by e plus k. Here h comma minus b by e plus k. h k యాడ్ అవుతుంది అంతే, ఈరంతే. హియర్ y equal plus or minus b by e plus k డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్. ఫోకస్ కందే h comma k యాడ్ అవుతుంది. లాటిస్ రెక్టమ్ ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ కందే h comma k యాడ్ అవుతుంది. లెంత్ ఆఫ్ మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ ఇస్ 2b బికాజ్ a less than b కేస్ ఇక్కడ. a less than b means 2a less than 2b. 2a less than 2b means major axis parallel to y axis, minor axis parallel to x axis. Automatically major axis equation ఏమవుతుంది, x equal to h. minor axis equation ఏమవుతుంది, minor axis y equal to k, because minor axis is parallel to x axis, that is y equal to k. Major axis is parallel to y axis because vertically ellipse ఎలా ఉంది, vertically, therefore parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis means x equal to h is major axis, y equal to k is minor axis. This part and x equal to h, this part and y equal to k. y equal to k is x equal to h is major axis, parallel to y axis kada. x equal to h, ఇది parallel to x axis kada. y equal to k, minor axis y equal to k, major axis x equal to h. That is fourth case.